Hey Playmo pals, today let's take a look at Playmobil 123. Well, hi there everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at Playmobil's wave of toys for children aged 1 to 3 years. Now, I don't have any Playmobil 123 sets to show you. All I have are these, well, they're not even clickies, they're figures. And that's only because I got these figures with a box of clickies that I acquired a few years ago. But I'll still present some here just to show you some examples. Playmobil 123 is a series of Playmobil toys with fewer pieces and fewer moving parts intended for younger children. Launched in 1990, Playmobil 123 makes the ideal first imaginative playsets. Their rounded shapes inspire tactile exploration and make playtime safe and easy. The bright, brilliant colors will certainly excite young eyes, and the trademark smile on the faces of both the Klicks and the Klacks illustrate the innocence and wonderment of the world through the eyes of your child, ushering play, the development of their imagination, and their understanding of the world around them. With all kinds of fun themes, scenes, and characters to choose from, Playmobil 123 gives kids a perfect start to playtime. So right now let's take a look and compare the body shapes and sizes of a Playmobil 123 figure versus a regular Playmobil Clicky. Right away, the most obvious difference in these figures is the fact that the Playmobil 123 is shorter, stockier, and their parts, mainly their arms, are molded to the body. The heads are much more rounded as well. And the hair pieces of Playmobil 123 are attached to the head. There is no replacing it. Due to the size of the head, the facial features are slightly more spaced out than a Clicky. There are only 2 points of articulation on a Playmobil 123 figure, and that's its head for one, which has a full pivot range, and the legs, which allows it to sit down. Like regular Clickies, Playmobil 123 figures come in various themes, but lack the variety of themes associated with normal Clickies and playsets. Also, like the main series of Playmobil toys, you have a male, you have a female, and you have children, offering the figures only 2 different heights, whereas the main line offers a wider variety of heights and shapes. Vintage Clickies have articulation only in 4 areas: the head, arms, and the legs. Since 1982, however, Clickies now have 6 points of articulation, with the addition of the hands being separate pieces.
Boy, I sure got the short end of the stick in this deal, didn't I?
Yeah, you really did. As another safety measure that Playmobil took with making the Playmobil 123 line, the wigs of their characters cannot be removed, unlike your typical Clicky. Oh man, hey!
Oh, come on, you look fine. And accurate.
Very funny. Alright, back to the video please. Anyway, there have been numerous sets by Playmobil 123 that, just like the regular main line, have been discontinued throughout the years. And only recently has the Playmobil 123 line delved into franchises. In fact, in 2023, Playmobil got a license with Disney to produce the first Disney-affiliated Playmobil 123 toys. Now this year, 2024, marks a historic change for Playmobil 123 and the Playmobil company altogether. Playmobil has converted its production of its 123 line from traditional fossil-based materials to plant-based ones, making Playmobil the first major toy manufacturer worldwide to use plant-based plastic in its entire wave of products for toddlers. With it, Playmobil 123 has officially been rebranded and is now Playmobil Junior. The playsets under the new brand are created with plastics originating from raw materials that are at least 90% plant-based. What an astonishing accomplishment for Playmobil. And with that, our episode comes to a close. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram at playmo.af. There's more on the way, so be sure to check us out next time. Until then, have a good one, and we'll see you right here at Playmo AF. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.